Look at this. This is crazy. This is straight product junkie for real right here. So some of this is lotion though, but still, yo. Got my shampoos, moisturizers, stuff you put on your scalp. Got some coconut oil, all kind of stuff. Can't even see all the way back there, man. Look. Look at all this. Look at all the stuff I'm just pulling out from the shampoo. Some vegetable glycerin. Just put my hand on anything. Just bring it out. Just it's like a beauty supply store. It's some conditioner. Man, that's the first shelf. Like right there. Then you go down. Bam! Got even more products. So what's this? Yo, clarifying shampoo. Some oil. Got some different gels. And everything, man. It's crazy. So I need to do something about this. I'm not buying anything else this whole year. Cause it's crazy, it's insane. It needs to be controlled. Like I said, I got lotion, but still, it's some Eco Styler. It's my little thing for my nails and stuff, or whatever. But it's out of control. It's just out of control. It's really sad. Okay, y'all. Y'all help me.